Hello and welcome to the video blog in 60 seconds. Today we want to show you how easy it is to repair shower trays and bars made of Quaryl and acrylic. Both materials are very robust and are known for their high impact resistance. They have no problem dealing with common everyday mishaps. If you do have minor damage though, you or your customers can easily repair it by yourself. We offer a repair set with all the materials you'll need, and this set is currently available for white baths and shower trays. If you need to repair baths or shower trays in other colours, please contact our customer service. Before beginning the repair, clean the affected area with ethanol. This step is important to remove any leftover dirt and grease. Then screw the applicator tip onto the tube to prepare the filler. It's now ready for one-time use. There are two different ways to do the repair, depending on the depth of the area you're trying to fill in. If the damage is deeper than 2 mm, fill it only halfway in the first step. Then, cover the repair with a plastic strip and let the filler cure using the supplied LED lamp. In the second step, fill in the area flush with the surrounding surface and cover again with a plastic strip, making sure there are no air bubbles, and repeat the curing process with the LED lamp. For small scratches up to 2 mm deep, you can fill in the area completely in one step. Once the filler has cured, remove the plastic strip and spray the repair with water. When repairing acrylic baths or shower trays, there is one more step you need to do. Sand the repair down, starting with coarser and then finer sandpaper, until you're left with a smooth, flat surface. To restore the products to their original shine, all you need to do now is polish the repair site using the polishing paste supplied. And it looks like new again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune into our next episode. See you next time.